Dear learners, welcome to Financial Accounting for Managers course. I am Professor John Pradeep Kumar, Krishna Jayanti School of Management, Bengaluru. Financial Accounting for Managers. The course code is MBA 203 C11. This is DCSSC, Discipline Specific Core Course. And after learning this course, you'll be able to earn 3 credit. The total number of hours is 36 hours. The objective of this course is to familiarize them in brief with accounting mechanisms, process and system, but emphasis is laid on sound concepts and their managerial implications. The second objective is to provide the knowledge to the learners about financial statements and principles underlining them, and to develop their skills in reading annual financial statements and reports. Third objective, to lay a foundation for developing their skills in interpreting financial statements and to familiarize the accounting information system. The learning objectives. After completing this particular course, after undergoing this course, each and every learners will be able to understand, and this will be the outcome of the course. The first outcome, you'll be able to analyze a business transaction. Any transaction is given to you, you'll be able to analyze the business transaction, and you'll know the cycle through which a particular transaction undergoes, and then the transaction first of all will be recorded, and then it undergoes a different cycle stages. You're going to analyze the statements, and then you're going to be able to understand how the transactions undergoes a different steps in the cycle. The second outcome, you'll be able to construct, or you'll be able to prepare the financial statements for two concerns. One is sole trading concern, where there is only one proprietor who is running the business. You will be able to prepare the financial statement for that particular sole trading concern. And the second one, you'll be able to prepare financial statements for joint stock companies, where there are more number of owners. It's nothing but there are more number of shareholders of these companies. So you'll be able to prepare by the end of this course the financial statements for sole trading concern as well as joint stock companies. And the third, you'll be able to appraise the financial statements of the companies, and you'll be able to interpret the financial health of an organization. So if I give any kind of any company's financial statements, you'll be able to analyze it, and you'll be able to appraise, and you'll be able to tell whether this company is doing well or not financially, whether it is healthy or it is a sick company. And the fourth one, you'll be able to create accounting information using the accounting information system. So nowadays you all know that the companies are using software, various software, to generate the accounting data. So you'll be able to learn, and you'll be able to create this accounting information or accounting data, in other words, using the accounting softwares which are available. So dear learners, these are the learning outcomes after completing the financial accounting course. Now let us look into the syllabus of this particular course. The first unit is dedicated to the fundamentals of accounting. You'll be able to understand what is financial accounting. Once this accounting data is being prepared, who will be using that, the users of accounting data, and the uses of accounting data. And you'll be able to understand GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, and the accounting standards and policies, and the International Financial Reporting Standard, IFRS, and Indian accounting standards. The concepts of double entry and fundamental principles of double entry system. And then you'll be able to prepare accounting equation. And then coming to the next topics, you'll be learning various types of books which will be used in accounting. One is journal, then ledger, and trial balance. And after that, before preparing the financial statements, the accountant need to prepare bank reconciliation statement, just to verify whether there is any differences between the cash book which is prepared by the company accountant and the bank passbook which is being prepared by the bank officer. So you'll be able to understand the difference between the bank passbook and the cash book which is prepared by the company's accountant. And then you'll be able to understand and you'll be able to rectify these errors, and you'll be able to prepare the correct cash book balance. And the next topic, what you're going to learn in the unit 1 is detection and rectification of errors. Because when the accounting is prepared by the accountant, there are a lot of errors which will be coming across. Okay, so you'll be able to detect and you'll be able to rectify these errors. And then you'll be able to prepare the suspense account also. Once suspense account is prepared, you'll be rectifying the errors, and when you rectify, the suspense account will become nil or zero. And the very latest topics you'll be learning, the theoretical topics, what you'll be learning in the present scenario, you need to understand these very important topics, that is forensic accounting. As you all know, there are a lot of scams which are happening in the current world, mainly because of the financial accounting data which is being manipulated, or it has been done the window dressing. So you'll be able to understand how the forensic accounting will help the company as well as even the government to rectify those, okay, and understand where the mistake has been done or where the fraud has been committed by the accountant or the board of directors. And the next topics is blockchain accounting. As you all know that already the companies are adopting blockchain, and blockchain has been adopted even in accounting function. And next topic you'll be learning is hedge accounting. This is what you're going to learn in the unit 1. Now, dear learners, moving to the financial accounting unit 2, you'll be learning how to prepare financial statements. You'll be preparing for 2 concerns. One is sole trading concern, and second one, joint stock companies. So you'll be preparing with the forms and contents of financial statements and interfaces with Companies Act 1956. As this Companies Act, as you all know, is being amended in 2013. That is called Companies Act 2013. You'll be learning how to prepare financial statements for sole trading concern as well as joint stock companies, okay, as per the Companies Act 2013. And apart from that, you'll be learning even how to prepare cash flow statement as per Indian Accounting Standard 7. Cash flow statement is one of the important statement which has become the part of financial statements which are prepared by the companies. Next, moving on to unit 3. Unit 3, you'll be learning how to analyze these financial statements. What you're going to learn in the how to prepare that in the unit 2. You'll be analyzing and interpreting financial statements. Basically, you're going to learn three types of or three analysis. One is called horizontal analysis. Here you're going to analyze the financial statements horizontally. The methods what you'll be using is comparative analysis. You'll be preparing comparative financial statements, that is comparative income statement and comparative balance sheet. And then trend analysis. You'll be learning how to analyze the trend of your financial statements. That also comes under horizontal analysis. And second is vertical analysis. Here you'll be analyzing the financial statements vertically. So the method what you'll be using is common size statements. So you'll be learning how to prepare common size income statement and common size balance sheet. And the third very important tool which is used for decision making in the business scenario is ratios. So you'll be learning how to calculate various financial ratios and how it can be used in analyzing the financial statements. And the very important method which is being developed by DuPont company, it is called DuPont analysis. You'll be learning about DuPont analysis, how it can be used, and this has been very much used in the current business world. Next, moving on to the unit 4, the learners will be able to learn about accounting information system. As I told earlier, accounting is nothing but creating data. You're going to create the financial accounting data. And as I know that nowadays, the bigger companies or the larger companies will have n number of accounting data will be created every minute or every day. There are thousands of transactions are taking place in the company. So the accounting information system will enable the accountant to prepare the data very fast and very accurately using various software. One of the important software which is being used by various companies is called Tally accounting software. You'll be learning how to use this particular software, Tally software, to generate accounting information, okay, and how this accounting information is being prepared. You'll be learning. Everybody will be getting the chance of learning this particular wonderful software, okay, by using this software in the lab. You'll be getting the hands-on experience in using this accounting information system, Tally accounting system, and you will be able to generate the accounting information data by yourself by learning this. These are the 4 units what will be used, you'll be learning. And for further reading, there are various references, books you can use. You can use the reference books which are listed in the slide. You can see there, Aurora, the very good book. And then we have author, that is Banerjee, and then Kanan Jain, then Ellen Homeland, and then Narayan Swami, and then Robert, David, and Kenneth, and then Tulsi. And so these are the very wonderful books you can read to enlarge your knowledge and to understand the accounting information system. So dear learners, so thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you understood and you got the overall picture about the course and what you're going to learn and what are their objectives and what are their learning outcomes. And you have understood in each unit what you're going to learn. So once again, I welcome you all for this wonderful course, the very important course for a business manager. So hope you will have a very happy learning. With that, I want to end this particular session. Thank you very much.